Welcome to the theLKgeek tutorial number 1, Classtools.net. We're going to look at how to create a game in Classtools.net. So first we need to go to the website. You can do this in two ways, either by typing in Classtools into Google and then the website comes up for you. Alternatively, you can just type in the address in your address bar at the top, www.classtools.net. So Classtools is a fantastic free website where you can create lots of different games or tools to use in the classroom. We're going to look at one specific one today, and that is the arcade game generator. You can see some of the options of things you can do over here, and there's a lovely little thumbnail that comes up, a preview to show you what you can do. We're going to do the arcade game generator, which you can find over here. So the arcade game generator is, as it says, a generator that creates a game for you. It doesn't just create one game though. It creates 5 different fantastic games from one set of information that you put in. So we're going to create a really simple one here that is just going to be an easy one for us to put in. So we're going to do Gematria 1 to 10. The reason why I'm doing 1 to 10 is because the minimum amount of questions and answers you can put in is 10. So once you've put in your title, you go down over here to put in your questions. In order to have your questions and answers showing correctly, you need to put in first your question, then put an asterisk, which you can do by holding down Shift and 8, and then you put in your answer. So I'm going to carry on. For anyone who doesn't know, Gematria is a Hebrew way of having each Hebrew letter equivalent to a number, which means that sometimes you can write numbers in Hebrew just by using letters, which can be quite fun. And it's one of the things that we teach in primary school here in England. So Vav is 6, Zion 7, Chet is 8, Tet is 9, and Yud is 10. There we go. We have all our questions and answers in there. And then you get another choice, and it says here, if you'd like to direct players to a particular game, so specify it here. So you can leave it as free choice. Alternatively, you can choose a game that they need to start with. It can often be good to start with matching pairs or flashcards because that forces the children to review what you've learned before they can practice the games. I like to start with word shoot because I think it's the most fun. So, okay, I'm going to put in a password as well. Nice simple one. We help if I could spelt it correctly. A simple one so I can remember in case I want to edit this game. Okay. It's now done. That was it. All you had to do. So we can either play the game, which we're going to do in a moment, or we can see how we can get back to this. There are a few ways. Number 1, you can click on the URL link or embed code. The URL is the address, the permanent address of this game that you can find over here. Alternatively, you can just copy it over here, and you can copy and paste that somewhere so that you keep that forever. If you have a website or a virtual learning environment or a blog and you are able to use HTML code to embed things into a text box, for example, you can copy the embed code that you find here to then put into your website, and you can change the size of how big you want the game to be. Alternatively, you can download the game onto your computer, or you can get a QR code. A QR code is a quick response code, which is like a barcode that you have in shops. However, this is something that you can take a picture of using a special app on your smartphone or on a tablet. For example, Red Laser is a great app on the iPhone that you can use to do this. And it will take a photo of the QR code and it will take you straight to the website. So you can print off this QR code, you can put it on a wall display and have parents, when they're walking around the school, taking a photo, and then they can play a game that their children have created or that you have created. Or children, if you have tablets in school, can take a photo of this and then play the game on their iPad. And currently, you can see here, currently WordShoot and flashcards are supported for the iPad. You can also edit the quiz if you need to, and remember, in order to edit the quiz, you need your password. That's it. That's our game. So, let's play and have some fun. Our question is Dalid. We need to find the answer. And there we go. That's it. Thanks for watching.